Hey, yo, what the fuck? There's no cheese? Son, hold on, son. I'm tired of coming to fucking barbecues. There's mad burgers, hot dogs, peppers, everything. There's no fucking cheese for the burgers?
Bruh.
What y'all doing, son? I'm dead tired of this shit. What you laughing at, boy? Oh, hold on. Let me tell you something. Hold on. And these is turkey burgers. This Thanksgiving? What the fuck? There's no cheese.
Hold on.
Am I the fucking hamburglar?
Who the fuck invited you, Lambone? Who invited you? What did you bring here? Did you bring something?
Who told you I was a lambong? Who told you that?
What did you bring here? Why are you here? This is a barbecue. Did you bring something? Did you bring something?
We're not in the 1940s.
Vete a trabajar.
We in the 1940s.
Why are you here? Why are you here?